Welcome to Mr. Thought. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of Indian gooseberry, also known as Amla. Why Amla? Boosts immunity. Amla is rich in vitamin C, enhancing your immune system and keeping infections at bay. Antioxidant powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants, Amla protects your cells, reduces inflammation, and supports overall health. Aids digestion. Amla promotes healthy digestion, supports gut health, and helps relieve constipation. Heart health. Regular consumption can lower cholesterol, improve heart health, and regulate blood pressure. Enhances hair and skin. Amla promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, and gives you glowing skin. How to enjoy Amla? Eat it raw for maximum benefits. Drink Amla juice for a nutritious boost. Add Amla powder to smoothies or yogurt. Enjoy it pickled as a tasty side dish. Take Amla supplements for convenience. Stay tuned for more health tips. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Thought. See you next time.